Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use data to make investment decisions, full tutorial step by step clearly. To make informed investment decisions using data, start by identifying your investment goals. Determine whether you are looking for short-term gains, long-term growth, or steady income. Next, gather relevant data sources. Use financial statements, market reports, and economic indicators. Analyze historical market trends to understand how different assets have performed over time. Look at stock prices, dividends, earnings reports, and economic factors affecting the market. Pay attention to macroeconomic indicators like GDP growth, unemployment rates, and inflation. Now, utilize data analysis tools and software. Consider platforms like Bloomberg, Morningstar, or Yahoo Finance for real-time data access. Once you have the data, clean and organize it for analysis. Remove any outliers or erroneous data points that could skew your results. Perform quantitative analysis using statistical methods. Calculate key financial ratios such as price to earnings, PE, and return on equity, ROE. Next, conduct qualitative analysis by assessing qualitative factors. Evaluate company management, industry position, and competitive advantages. Create visual aids such as charts and graphs to help interpret the data. Presenting data visually can make trends and patterns easier to identify. Now, compare your findings against industry benchmarks. This will help you determine how well an investment is poised relative to its peers. Develop a risk assessment based on your research. Consider factors such as market volatility, sector risks, and geopolitical influences. Compile your findings into a cohesive investment thesis. Summarize why you believe an asset is worth buying, holding, or selling. Finally, continuously monitor the data after your initial analysis. Stay updated with new information that could affect your investment decisions. Be prepared to adjust your strategies based on changing market conditions. This methodical approach will empower you to make data-driven investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.